Here's a vacuum cleaner and it's not always charging. It is plugged in, that's the adapter, but it's not always doing its job. It's stopping on the way. So let's see what to do. So here's a European to American adapter and it was not working correctly. Why it wasn't working correctly? That's why it wasn't working. But this portion cannot be accessed from the front, so this was here, it was just pushed in using those clamps. So in order to tighten that screw, you would need screw holes there. That cover was on front of this. That also has some clips on the side next to the openings, but there's nothing interesting here. The problem was behind. This could be removed using those two little openings. This was pushed in like so. So that has to be tightened in order to make firm contact. Even this is a little bit loose, not to mention that. So this is one type of connector. Here the two connectors are in one line, as you can see. That can enter there. Okay, but there's another one which has the two connectors in this manner, parallel, front to front, not in one line. And those should enter here and here in this position, not in this position. So this is making the entire electric contact from this to that and introduce it there. Now this is good. Here it's not good yet. Now it's good. So now it should make electric contact. And that screw, that one, was inside here in the center. Now how to insert that? Well, that screwdriver is not magnetic. And that is not magnetic either. So you need to magnetize a screwdriver in order to insert it deep there. Here's a magnet. Magnetize it a little bit. Put the magnet also onto it. Okay, and magnetize it more and insert it there. Just move it next to the magnet, rotate it, and it will be magnetized. Or you can attach a little magnet there on the side and that will instantly make the magnetic force much larger, and then you can insert it.